Hey guys, today I'm gonna be removing my operculum. Please do not do this at home. Go to an actual dentist if you have a problem with this. I'm too broke, so I kinda have to. But let's get right into the preparation. So these are the scissors that I'm gonna be using to remove it. I'm now gonna have to wash this and blow dry it with a fan. I'm also gonna be putting some apple cider vinegar in my mouth and also this solution. This is not a disinfectant, it's not medical grade, but it's better than nothing. It removes at least 2 bacteria, so I kind of have to do it. Don't know if you can see anything, but I did make an incision. It's not completely gone though. And there you go. I have removed it. And I'm gonna throw it out into the toilet bowl. As you can see, it's gone now. I'm still bleeding, as you can see. I'm probably gonna blur that out. Some more mouthwash to clean up the blood. That's already way less blood, so I'm just gonna let it dry. And hopefully everything's gonna be okay with it. Bye bye!